Hi folks, welcome to MTS. Today we are going to unbox a Train World exclusive. This is the MTH O-Gauge CSX 4-car 50-foot double-door boxcar set. All right. This does have the LED lights and it's all ready for the holiday season. Okay, so the model number on this is 30-70153, and then you got the A, B, C, and D. So there you go. It's the Rail King freight set. So I think these are going to pair really well with that Lionel Santa train that I picked up not too long ago. Oh yeah, look at there. Now this one does have the LED lights that go all around the outside of it, so I'm anxious to see. I think this is going to be, these are going to look really, really good behind that CSX Santa train. There we go. There's the Express. Should be holiday. Perfect. All right. Packed. Again, it is the double door, so we'll go ahead and close those doors up. There's the holiday, and again, it does have the LED lights that go around the outside. Nothing on the body, but I think, like I said, I think with the CSX Santa train there, this is going to look really, really good. Have the passenger car on the back of that with Santa Claus on the platform. I think that would be great. Bring the doors in. Oh wow, okay, cool. So it says Express on the one side, and on the other it's got the CSX logo. Is that the same way? Oh, that one says Holiday on both sides. Okay. And I know it's a lot, but really wish they could have put some LED lights down the boxcar, but I think that's where the Lionel will actually offset that a little bit. There's the American flag with the toy soldiers. Got the Liberty Bell there. That's pretty cool. Neat. All right. And then the last one. CSX logo, and then there's the Express on that one. All right. So those look like they're about the same. Yeah. Yeah, just the different numbers on them, but other than that, those two are the same. Okay. Well, there we go. Let's go ahead and get these over on the layout and see how they, like I said, I'm thinking they're going to pair really nicely with the Lionel set. Wow, these are bright. We're going to go ahead and get them running around the layout here for you. Well, there you have it, folks. A quick video on the latest MTH Rail King CSX 4-car Holiday Express boxcar set. Really glad I jumped on these when I saw them come out. The CP, or Canadian Pacific Holiday Express set, really appreciated and valued over the years. It's a great addition to my Christmas train collection, and looking forward to running it in my upcoming Christmas trains video. Let me know what you think. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you down the line.